Hello guys, today we are going to vectorize this logo. To recreate this logo, we will follow all these steps. Just stay with me and see how I can do that. First of all, let's draw this part, fire stick. For that, I'm using pen tool as it's so blurry image. You can learn a lot of things from this video as we are going to recreate a design. Just stay with us and you can see how I'm using the pen tool. I'm just clicking it again at the end anchor point and doing it again. For this part, I will firstly design a rough shape from the almost half. So if I show you, just going to take the eyedropper tool and fill it with the black color, you can see this is the shape. Let's add one anchor point here as I forgot to do that, and make it a little below. Now select reflect tool and click at the last point of the anchor and press Alt button, and now it will make a copy of vertical. And now you can see how easily we made this shape with just half part. And now we have to do some adjustment here. Like here you can see a shape which will be cut. Same for here. So after this, we have to swap fill and stroke. Make sure it's middle aligned, and now just need to cut out from this image. And for now this fire stick is ready, and now it's time to create this leaf ornamental design. First of all, I'm going to create the leaves. So just take one design perfectly, and then copy it again and again. Just follow the designs style. There are a lot methods to do this, but as we are going to recreate this design, we are redesigning this logo, so we need to follow the design style, not our style. We can do a little adjustment, but we are not allowed to recreate or make a fully new logo from this one. So we have to stay with its unique face, its unique quality. Just see how I'm using the pen tool, and it's the most important part if you are a graphic designer, as pen tool will be your support when you don't know any tool. Pen tool is the most used tool in Adobe Illustrator according to me, but there are also a lot of tools which can benefit us. Now we can take this shape again and adjust it. As you can see how I'm rotating the design to adjust it. And this is how we can complete this design. Now it can look that it's something awkward, but let me finish it firstly. So I'm going to take a line, pen tool, from pen tool, and I will now add some curvy lines. After that, turn on stroke and adjust the stroke size to the original one. This one is okay. And now you can see some issues. Just solve it with direct selection tool. As you can see, with direct selection tool we can do a lot of things. We can adjust the curve, we can remove the points, and I think this is okay for now. So I'm going to select this part and will reflect it according to this point. As you can see, there are two part like this. One part we have created and other part we are not going to recreate. We will just reflect it. Just take the reflect tool and press Alt button from keyboard and left mouse click, and then do the vertical copy, and it will create the shape duplicate and also reflect it at the same time. So our main part of the logo is completed, as you can see, but we don't want a stroke. So I'm going to select all this, going to object, expand appearance, and now you can see it still needs open, expand. Okay, now you can see there is no stroke in this design. So this is fully a shape based design. And now we have to draw these circle shapes. Just take the circle from here, rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool. You can also use the shortcut L. After that, just adjust it according to the design to recreate and vectorize this design. This is our logo, and it's mainly used to teach you how to recreate a design or recreate a logo. So I think 7 pixel is good for it. Sorry. Now I'm going to, as you just missed my steps, just select this circle, press Ctrl C, press Ctrl F, and there will be a copy for this circle, and then Shift Alt and left mouse click to enlarge it while staying on the same position. Shift Alt and left click, and sorry, firstly release the left click, then keyboard buttons. And for the stroke size, it must have to be as it is. And now again same process, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, Shift Alt, release left click, and then keyboard button. This time we need to keep the stroke size a little thinner as it's in the design. you can see the last circle line is thinner. So after that, now it's time to give the text. I have downloaded a text replay pro bold. You have to purchase this font as it's a premium font. Please don't use a premium font without paying. It's illegal and unethical. I recommend you to use premium fonts after buying it. Now let's use this font to complete this design. I have IFC. Now we have to recreate this text. This is not about recreate. We will rewrite or retype this design. So again, we need these circles. Control C, Control F with a smaller size. Here we don't need to worry about these strokes. Click here and select scissor tools and click on the anchors, only 2 anchors, and now it's divided into 2 shapes, 2 stroke lines. Now just go to the T type tool and type on a path tool and click on the upper circular half, and now write the text from the image. Interfraternity Council, and now select the text by pressing Ctrl A and align center, and Replay Pro Bold font is already selected. Increase the size to adjust it accordingly. After increasing the size, go on the type option, then type on a path options. Make sure align to path is center. Preview. Okay. So for me, I think this one is okay. But if we need to adjust something, we can do it by under character panel. You can go to it by window and then type, window and type and character. Then you will find this panel, and here you can go to the these options and you can increase it to change the position. You can just preview my text and this work, and you can see what is the difference. And I think this one is okay. And now I'm going to do the same thing for below or bottom half circle stroke. Just select type on a path tool, click on a point, and let's write the text in the image. Now again select Ctrl A, middle align, go to the type on a path options. This time you have to flip it. You can see what happens when we flip, and then go to the center, and everything is okay. Okay. And now if we want to adjust it, again we can go to the character panel and just adjust it. We can also add some space if we need it. I think here we can do something. Okay, for now I am just using it, and you can see we have completed this logo perfectly. We can just, there is one step rest which we need to complete. Just select all these and go to the object, expand. Okay, and this will create all design vectorized or shape based. Just click on the white color, and now you can see this logo is fully same. Hopefully this will help you recreate or vectorize your design, or vectorize or trace your design perfectly in future. Thank you so much for watching this video till end.